What is up guys, welcome back to Cheesy Techie video, and today I am going to replace the CPU cooler as you can see here. So I have tested the temperatures already, a stress test using this Assassin X120 Refined ARGB version. They have the non-RGB version. Normally the idle temperature is around 50 plus degree. I have the readings from the hardware info. I will put it onto the video. So I plan to change because there are some issues that I had when I play games. It will freeze and reboot it. For this round, I'm gonna try it and replace it with a Thermalright Peerless Assassin. So I have said on the previous video where I built my $1,500 gaming PC, I said I plan to change to a Thermalright Peerless Assassin. So here it is. It's a Peerless Assassin that I got on Carousel for $25, which is a bargain. Which this guy say he has used it for 1 month plus because he has changed to AIO, but I can buy a AIO, but I found one for $50 on Carousel. Same thing. They say brand new, blah blah. I not too sure if it's a viable option because AIO got a lot of pros and cons. I'm gonna try the Peerless Assassin. If it's worth it and it is a okay air cooler to fit onto my PC, then I will use it for long term. If it's not, I have to sell it again and get a AIO just to play safe again, and I will have to waste another money for a goddamn cooler. So another good thing about these fans that I didn't know, right, is that it came with like a built-in splitter, so you don't need to route a lot of them and so much and so forth. At that time I bought on Carousel for this CPU cooler, it doesn't have a thermal paste, so I'm just gonna use thermal paste from the X120 ARGB, which is this one. Enough of talking, I wanna fit with this Peerless Assassin cooler onto it. I'm gonna give you a montage, same thing as the $1,500 gaming PC. Wouldn't ramble and blah blah blah. Well, enough of talking, let's install this. Okay. No more thermal paste. Shit. Ah, I run out of thermal paste. What a fucking chore. Alright guys, I'm back in Simlim and I bought 2 tubes of thermal paste. Just kidding, I didn't bought it, I got this for free from a PC shop in Simlim, because I bought their PC and I don't know, this guy just gave me 2 free thermal paste. I kind of feel bad that I got this for free. I definitely should pay him. I just pay now him. So well, I'm just gonna use these two wisely, and hopefully it works. And I want to finish this ASAP. I don't want to drag it too longer. Let's continue the CPU installation. Alright guys, here's my Peerless Assassin already installed, and I have just now played some games like CS2. It keeps like around like 40, 50, below 70 degrees, which is good to see. The idle temperature is roughly around 40 degrees, around there, around in the mid 30s, almost 40s so far. Right now, as of recording this video, I playing BMG. The temperature for the CPU is around 61.4 and now 16.9, 61 degrees Celsius as of now, and so far so good, right? But yes, my PC turned into a server, as you can hear, and it's loud, obnoxiously loud. I will gonna find a way to, you know, quiet this down or something like that. I think it's because probably is something goes wrong with the motherboard settings, which I'm gonna do off camera. I'm gonna put the idle temperature results while without turning on the air conditioner, around room temperature around 30 degrees without aircon turned on, all that kind of stuff. The reason why I took the Peerless Assassin in the first place is because this Peerless Assassin has 6 heat pipes, whereas the Assassin S120 has 4. It has some downsides on the Assassin X120 in terms like the heat load that is thrown from the CPU. Any application that is CPU intensive, like some games are CPU intensive like CS2, Valo, all that shooting games. And also not only shooting games, we also have your Forza Horizon, all that kind of stuff. And also BMG, which relies on, you know, like AI traffic, all that kind of stuff, which throws a lot of stuff onto the CPU. Or probably live streaming, because you needs a bit of cost. That's why the CPU needs to work produce more of heat. I think this is much A. I think this is the final build. You can see it's super gorgeous, plus with the RGB, with the exception that my PC is obnoxiously loud, almost like a jet.
Nothing beats a jet.
That's it for this video. I'm kind of very tired now. It's like 4 in the morning. Wow. And yeah, that's it for this video. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and check out my gaming channel at the top right hand corner if you haven't already. That's it for this video, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye bye.